in the heart of a home. Our ancestors lived side by side with nature, strong, resilient, yet constantly challenged by the wild. Fierce wars roamed their lands, destroying crops and threatening their survival. But through courage and ingenuity, they created the Gahong, a simple yet brilliant crop that protected their hopes and secured their future. From this symbol of strength and survival, the name Ahong was born, derived from Gahong, a legacy of unity, wisdom, and perseverance. As time passed, Ahong flourished into a place rich in culture, faith, and beauty. Today, it proudly showcases destination that capture its vibrant spirit. From the serene beauty of Our Lady's Garden to the relaxing shores of Joes by the Sea, the flavorful gatherings at Hughes Grill, the warmth of Cecilia's Place, and the refreshing escape of Sea Forest Resort and Restaurant. These places are more than destinations. They are living stories of Ahong's growth, tradition, and community. And now, we gather not only to remember the past, but to celebrate the present, a celebration of abundant grace, culture, and faith. Witness the story unfold from struggle to triumph, from tradition to celebration. Kini ang sugilanan sa Gahong. Magsadya kita, mag-Gahong Festival na ta!
natin.